Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, good morning. How are you today? Previously, my name is Febi Ardian Arfa from the Javanese Language Education Study Program Yogyakarta State University. Today, I will make a vlog about the description of Sarangan Lake tourist in East Java. Certainly, you are asking, what is the Sarangan Lake? Come on, watch this video.
Sarangan Lake is located on the border between East Java and Central Java. It's placed in the western part of Magetan Regency, East Java. Sarangan Lake is located on the slopes of Mount Lawu, which has a beautiful mountains, nature.
The view of Sarangan Lake will spoil the eyes, because you can see Face Lake and the green mountain of Sidoramping around the towering Mount Lawu. This makes the air in Sarangan Lake very cool. The ticket price at Sarangan Lake is very affordable, which is 15,000 rupiah. When you go around the edge of Sarangan Lake, there are water peaks that resemble ducks and foot. Or for those of you want to exercise, you can around the lake on foot or ride a horse while enjoying the view of the pine forest around Sarangan Lake. Around the Sarangan Lake, there are also inns and hotel where you can stay. After playing around, you can order rice satay and rice cake, because this is a typical food in Sarangan Lake. The price is very affordable, only 7,000 portion. After that, you can shop for gift and souvenir from Sarangan Lake. You can buy t-shirt or handicraft that are the work of the local community. Okay guys, so Sarangan Lake is a very suitable for your vacation with family, because the scenery is very beautiful, affordable ticket price, very delicious and cheap specialties, and lots of souvenir that you can buy here. Thank you for watching this video. See you next another time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.